In 2025, an independent lab tested popular collagen and protein powders and found more than 2/3 carried more lead in one serving than experts say is safe for a day, some by 10 times. And even the clean ones share a second problem nobody warns you about. Your body tears that collagen apart in your stomach and rebuilds almost none of it, unless one nutrient is already in your blood. Vital proteins, ancient nutrition, NeoCell. The tub on your counter is almost certainly on this list. Number 7 is the one your daughter probably recommended. So how does the most popular anti-aging supplement in America end up being the one robbing you the hardest? We checked 3 things on every brand, and they are the same 3 I will walk you through. First, purity. Is it clean of lead, arsenic, cadmium, and mercury, the heavy metals these tubs are never tested for before they hit the shelf? Second, the form. Is it real hydrolyzed collagen your gut can absorb, or padded with cheap filler and amino acids you could get from a single egg? Third, the truth about absorption, which is the one that changes how you take every brand on this list. And keep one number in the back of your mind the whole way down. The average daily collagen habit runs you between $30 and $90 a month. Every month, for years. That is real money out of a fixed income. So the only fair question is whether you are getting anything for it. Let us start with the worst value on the shelf. Number 7, the celebrity and influencer collagens. Vital proteins and the brands sold on morning television. This is where the robbery is cleanest, because you are paying for a face, not a formula. Vital Proteins is the most recognized collagen in America, the one your daughter saw an actress stir into her coffee. And the powder itself is not the problem. The price is. You are paying a premium that buys marketing, celebrity deals, and pretty packaging, none of which ends up in your joints. A plain, unflavored collagen with the same grams of peptides can cost half as much. The difference is not the collagen inside. It is the dollars you hand over for the name on the front. Number 6, the arsenic offenders. Certain marine and multi-collagen tubs. Here's where it stops being about money and starts being about what is actually in the scoop. Independent third-party testing in 2025 found specific collagen products, including a popular marine collagen and a widely sold multi-collagen, testing positive for arsenic. Not added on purpose. It comes in through the source animal and the water it drank, and then nobody screens for it, because there is no federal limit on heavy metals in supplements at all. Read that again. The tub marketed for your bones and your joints faces less heavy metal testing than a bag of potato chips. The difference is not whether the brand meant to poison you. It is that clean was a marketing word, and tested for arsenic was a lab result, and almost none of these tubs can show you the second one. Number 5, the plant-based and vegan collagen. This one makes me a little angry because the label is a lie by design. There's no such thing as vegan collagen. Collagen only comes from animals, from their skin, bones, and connective tissue. So a plant-based collagen tub contains exactly 0 collagen. What you are buying is a handful of vitamins and amino acids that supposedly help your body make its own, sold to you at collagen prices, and dressed up with the word collagen on the front. And here is the part that turns a ripoff into a risk. The plant-based powders that go into them, the pea and the rice bases, are the exact ones the lab found most contaminated with lead, worse than any animal source. So you pay more, you get no collagen, and you get a bigger dose of heavy metal for the trouble. The difference is not animal versus plant. It is that you are paying a premium for a product that does not contain the one ingredient on the label. That is 3 of the most trusted tubs on the shelf, and we are just getting to the part that affects every single brand. Stay with me, because the next finding is the one that decides whether any collagen you have ever bought did anything at all. It is not about a brand, it is about a mistake, and once you see it, you will never take collagen the old way again. Number 4, every collagen you take on an empty stomach without vitamin C. This is not a brand. This is a mistake. Almost everyone makes, and it quietly wastes whatever you spent. Here's the truth the tubs bury in silence. When you swallow collagen, your stomach does not send it to your skin. It breaks it down completely into raw amino acids, the same as any steak or egg. Your body then decides what to build with those pieces, and it will only rebuild them into new collagen if you have enough vitamin C in your blood. Because vitamin C is the tool that welds those amino acids back into collagen fibers. No vitamin C, no rebuild. The difference is not the brand in the tub. It is whether you took it with an orange or a glass of juice, or flushed your money down with plain coffee. Number 3, the mystery blend tubs that hide their grams. This is the one almost nobody knows to check. Flip the tub over. A trustworthy collagen tells you exactly how many grams of collagen peptides are in a scoop. The ones robbing you hide it inside a proprietary blend, lumping the collagen together with cheap fillers, flavorings, and sweeteners, so you cannot see how little collagen you are actually getting. You might be paying for 10 grams and getting 3. The difference is not what the front of the tub promises. It is whether the back of the tub will tell you the one number that matters, and if it will not, that silence is the answer. Number 2, the flavored, sweetened collagens marketed to seniors. Stay with me because this is the one most likely to be in your kitchen right now. The chocolate and vanilla and salted caramel tubs feel like a treat, and that is the trap. Flavoring is where the added sugar hides, which an older adult watching blood sugar does not need. And flavored powders have historically been the ones that test higher for contamination, because the cocoa and additives carry their own heavy metals. You are paying more for a worse, dirtier product because it tastes nice. The difference is not flavor. It is that the better tub is the boring, unflavored one, and boring is exactly what you want going into your body every day. You would think the most expensive, best marketed tubs would be the safe ones. The lab found the opposite. The shiniest names were some of the worst. Number 1, whichever collagen you have scooped every single morning for years without one drop of vitamin C and without ever checking a lab result. This is the real robbery, and it is the tub in your own hand. The single biggest waste is not one bad brand. It is loyalty plus a missing nutrient. It is faithfully spending $1 a day on a powder your body breaks apart and never rebuilds, because nobody told you about the vitamin C, while the brand quietly raised the price and never once tested for lead. The fillers, the arsenic, the wasted scoops, none of it announces itself. It just costs you every morning in the name of getting younger. The difference is not which tub you started with. It is that you trusted the label and stopped asking the label to prove anything. So which collagens are actually worth your money? Because some are, and the good news is the honest ones are usually cheaper, not pricier. Quick note, the picks coming up are the ones the testing and the science support, and I will tell you when I have a link below. We read the lab reports so you do not have to. If that saves you even one wasted tub, the subscribe button is right there. 3 picks worth keeping, worst value to best. Number 3, a plain, unflavored, grass-fed bovine collagen that lists its exact grams. You do not need a famous name. You need a single ingredient powder from grass-fed, pasture-raised cattle that lists how many grams of peptides are in a scoop, and ideally shows a third-party test. It mixes into anything, it costs a fraction of the celebrity tubs, and it is the honest version of what the expensive brands are selling you. Number 2, a collagen that is third-party tested for heavy metals and shows you the proof. This is the upgrade that actually matters. Look for a brand that publishes its testing, or carries a seal like NSF, or a published lab result you can look up, not just the words clean and pure on the front. In a category with no federal heavy metal limits, the brand that volunteers its lab results is telling you something the silent ones are hiding. Number 1. The collagen you already own, taken correctly with vitamin C. Here's the honest climax. The best collagen for most people is the clean one you already bought, finally taken the right way. Pair every scoop with vitamin C, an orange, a glass of juice, or a vitamin C supplement, so your body can actually rebuild those amino acids into collagen instead of burning them for fuel. A clean, accurately labeled tub plus vitamin C will outperform the most expensive celebrity collagen taken alone with black coffee. The best collagen is not the one with the most famous name. It is the clean one, taken the way your body can actually use it. Here's the part worth remembering. The lab found no link between what a collagen costs and whether it was clean. The $1 tub and the $3 tub had the same odds of carrying lead. The only thing that protected anyone was checking the test and adding the vitamin C. So before you trust the next tub, watch the bottled water investigation. The brand people trust the most turned out to be the worst offender. It is on screen now.